Yeah, guys, it's nice to be here once more, and we're gonna be talking about MUN Testnet campaign. Look at this, MUN Testnet campaign. So, their mainnet is live. Okay, they're still giving a couple of rewards to their their testers, on the testnet. Okay, even though the mainnet is live, they still want to reward the testers that will test the um, testnet environment. All right. So if you're watching this video for the first time, you're actually watching the video on the channel for the first time, I want you to hit the subscribe button. I believe that before the end of this tutorial or this guide, you will have reason to subscribe to this channel. I believe that, right? Why? Because I share a lot of valuable content and valuable information that will help you to jumpstart your career in this industry. So for those who are return subscribers, I want to say thank you very much. I appreciate your effort. Now let's go deep into this guide. This guide. I cannot believe that so many people would like to, they find it easy, you know, to put into practice what they've seen, okay, what they've seen, what they've listened to, than actually reading stuffs, on the blog. So that is why I'm making this for you. All right. If you look at this, the last one I talked about was an airdrop on the Cosmos chain, okay, and they've distributed some reward, okay, and I believe that many of you who are return subscribers, you've watched that tutorial and you've gotten your own reward, all right. So when they get to the mainnet, only God knows how much that is going to worth, okay. That is why you do not give up on airdrop. So Vela is going to distribute their own reward very soon. Then these other guys too, they're going to distribute their own very soon. So we've been able to participate in a couple of airdrops, okay, and before the end of this year, we are going to make massive returns from it, okay. So because I'm doing this for you guys. Honestly, I'm doing this for you because I cannot believe that not everybody have the capital to participate in this ecosystem. Not everybody have the thousands of dollars to invest, to trade the market, you know. But if you're just starting from the ground zero, this is an opportunity for you. As long as you have your smartphone and you have your computer, then you are good to go. Okay, you are good to go. So now, basically, what I'm going to do now is this: you're going to need a Cosmos wallet, wallet that supports the Cosmos blockchain. And this time around, we're going to be using Kepler. Okay, Kepler is quite easy to use, and I kind of prefer it over other kinds of wallets on the Cosmos ecosystem. So let me now go back to this article. So this article is a complete guide for you. Okay, like all the important links that you need to complete these tasks, they're all there. So there is no problem, there is no worries for you whatsoever. So just make sure that you check the video description. Okay, right there, there is this link. Okay, there is this link right in the video description. And in case I forget, please remind me. Although I'm going to try as much as possible to make sure that I do not forget. So now you need a Kepler wallet. If it is not installed on your browser yet, you click here to install it. You can see this is the um, Chrome extension. So you go right there and install it on your browser. So if I open this in a new tab now, what do you see? You see that it will actually load the page where you can install that Chrome browser, you know. So where you can install that extension rather on your Chrome browser. So look at this. So because I already have it installed on my Chrome browser, I don't want to remove it. All right. So but if you don't have it right there, go right there and install it. So if you're mobile, then you definitely have some wallet like Mrs. Browsers, and a couple of browsers. Just go to Play Store and search for wallets, browsers that are compatible, that allows extension. So if you have Mrs. Browser, they can use that on your mobile phone. That's one challenge. All right. So now I'm going to scroll down now, go here and connect our wallets. Okay. So I'm going to click on this. All of these links are available for you to use. Now let me quickly see something right here. If you are participating in airdrop, do not give up. Honestly, do not give up. These guys, let me check their name again. Team for Energy distributed some testnet coin, and those testnet coins is 1:1 for the mainnet. So once they launch, okay, so you're going to be getting that 1:1 for their campaign. All right. So Vela also, they're going to distribute their own. Are you going to get something out of it? Also, Venom. Okay, don't give up on Venom, guys. Do not give up on Venom at all, at all. So make sure that you participate in Venom, as much as you can. Then the reward is coming. the reward is coming. So I'm going to go here now. I'm going to paste my password. It's very long, rather. And that's just for security purpose. So now I'm going to approve. I'm going to approve this. Okay, let me approve this. You see, I should click here to update the info on. Let me check. So update the info on GitHub. All right. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. All right. Okay, let me check this real quick. All right. So let me go back to the wallet. Okay, fine. Awesome, awesome. So we are done with that. We are done with that. So the wallet has been connected with this. Okay. So let me connect your wallet using this app. Okay, connect to Kepler. Okay, so it's been connected. Can you see that? It's been connected. So let me refresh this. Okay, it's been connected. So let us now go back to the next step for this campaign. Okay, and approve the request. So we've done that. Copy your mom address from Kepler address. Okay, then press receive. All right, receive. Then click on the bottom. So now we're gonna go get the faucet right there. Okay, so let me open this in the new tab. So we need that faucet. You know that testnet token or testnet coin to participate in this. So I'm gonna go back to Kepler. So this is Kepler right here, isn't it? So I will come here. So I want to receive. Well, let me even say deposit. I want to deposit. Okay, so let me search for MUN. Okay, okay, similar be the same thing for this also. All right, so let me go back. Let me go to the faucet. Okay, then I'm going to paste this. Then send me tokens. Okay, so we expect some tokens from them. I said faucet is empty. Error. What's that? So after receiving the error message, what you're supposed to do is to create a MUN address. So MUN blockchain looks like a side chain that is built on the Cosmos infrastructure, right? So let's click on this to join, to get the address. Okay, so I'm going to click on connect. Okay, let me connect this so that you generate a MUN address. So it's a special kind of address. Okay, so I'm going to copy that now and I'll go back to this and I'll paste it here. Let me paste it here, then click on this to prove that I'm not a robot. Okay, I'm not a robot. Are you a robot? So let me see if they will sell some tokens to us that we can use to participate in this campaign. Okay, so we are waiting. Okay, we are waiting for that to be processed. So I'm going to pause this now and I'll come back once it's been sent to that address. So guys, the faucet has successfully sent. Okay, let me check that on the Explorer. Now here is it. I said in the article that if you try it will not actually go once. So you keep trying it and make sure that you do not give up. All right, that's the secret. Make sure that you don't give up. Right, so you can even refresh it and try it once more again. So because these are things that you need to take note of when you're trying to participate in this campaign. So let me go to the Explorer. Okay, let me check out in the Explorer. So I'll paste that address and see how many of that coin we're able to get on the Explorer. Okay, so you do not give up because you tried it and it's not working. No. Okay, do not give up. Don't ever give up. Don't give up. So why is this not loading so fast? Let me try. Let me try again. This is the Explorer. So let me try and load the Explorer. I don't know why the Explorer is quite slow. So unfortunately, the Block Explorer has not been responding as you may have seen from my screen right here. Can you see it? I tried to refresh it several times. It has not been responding. So that could be a technical issue from their side. So let us proceed with this. Now we've gotten some tokens from them. So now let us go to the next stage, which is staking. Okay, so we're going to click here, then open a new tab and see how we can stake that, in their, with their validators. So I'm going to refresh this. Okay, this is staking. So let us stake with their validators. All right. Okay, so let me refresh this once more. All right, see. if we could stake with the validators right here. So you come here. So our balance for this is 0.1. Can you see it? So we can stake part of it to the validators with a very good APR of 574.53%, right there. So let us stick with this guy. This guy is giving a very good. Okay, let us manage this and stake. So we want to delegate to this guy. Okay, how many we want to delegate? Let me say 0.03, kind of. Okay, so let us click on delegates. I'll come here and I'll approve it. Okay, come here to approve it. A memo is empty. All right. So you can leave empty. You can leave the memo empty like that. Okay, then come and approve it to delegate to that. Uh, yeah, awesome. So we're going to delegate. Okay, that is successful. So I'm going to go back. So if you go to our dashboard now, you can see you are able to delegate. Then we have 0.01, so 0.07 left, isn't it? So the next task right here is you scroll down. Okay, we've done that already. So you're able to delegate, isn't it? Okay, so um, as you can see, you're able to delegate to some. So let me go back to this. This is staking, you're able to stake. And the next thing I'm going to do now right here is to come here, go to the Discord channel. Okay, I hope you have a Discord account, right? So then you go to this row, this section of the channel to get a row. So this is it. So you're invited. So you click on that invitation to join that, isn't it? So you get a row. Okay, let me try this, see if it's gonna work. Okay, okay, let me try this. So it says if this verification does not work, try out backup verification, which is this. Okay, so let me try and verify here. All right. We don't have a row yet, isn't it? So let me see. Please join our Telegram account and prove that you are a human. Okay, so that's a verification, isn't it? So let me open that. So click here to prove that you are human, isn't it? So you've passed the captcha. So let me go back to the Discord. Okay, so that has been done. So you can now join right away, isn't it? So we need to get a role. We need to get a role here. Let me try some other ways to do that. Okay, what are the steps? Okay, let me verify here. It says field. So to gain access to the channel, you need to prove you are human by completing captcha. Click the button below to get started. Okay, interaction field. Why? So for the verification, it requires that you turn off your DM. Okay, that's the last step. You have to like try to join them on Telegram, on Twitter. Okay, these are the steps you need to verify yourself. Then come here and type this, which is 366561. Okay, so that unlocks the channel for you. Okay, so you can get access to get airdrop role, which is here. Okay, if the airdrop role does not work for you, okay, try this. Let us see if it's gonna work for us. Okay, let me check. Okay, I think this works for us. Let me see if you have a role. You don't have a permission. So let us try this. Okay, let's see if it's gonna work for us. So react to this message to get the airdrop role that you see a new channel called airdrop instructions. So where is it? Okay, with some more instructions, react this, to get the role. Let me check. So where is this? Where is the airdrop instructions? Let me see. Where is it? So where is it? Let me see. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Because obviously we've done what we're supposed to do here. Let me try that again. Where is it? I can't seem to find that. After sending the reaction. Okay, this is it here. Okay, airdrop instructions, right? So after getting your airdrop role, you can become a beta tester for our testnets. Report your feedback in here. So create a wallet on this platform. Okay, then claim your free 10 TMU. Okay, so or go to the faucets. Okay, then you can stake your TMUN. So report your beta testing, screenshot and send some text right there. So let us try this. So let us get that extra 10. Okay, let us see if we are going to receive it. Let me connect the wallet. Okay, let me connect the wallet. Let me see. Token transfers. Okay, so we're not able to get more than that. Let me see. Send. No. All right, so let me go back. Then report your beta testing with a screenshot. Of course, we're going to do that today. Okay, with a screenshot, that's okay. Okay, so this is an update. This is an update of the airdrop campaign. Yeah, so once you're able to like stake, and delegate part of the money that you have, so the next thing you want to do is to go right there and complete this quest. Okay, so go ahead and complete the quest. Open this in a new tab. Okay, then you see a couple of quests right there that you can complete. Okay, so try them one after the other. This is a very big pool of $20,000. Okay, a very big pool. So participate in all of these quests and make sure that you get to level 8. Okay, so when you get to level 8, then they're going to be launching officially. They're going to be accepting a few people into their airdrop campaign in September 1st this year. Okay, so make sure that you make it to level 8 so that you can participate in subsequent airdrop in September. Okay, so sometimes airdrops like that. If you're able to complete one, it qualifies you for the other. Look at those that actually claim some airdrops on which blockchain was that? I think Arbitrum. Yeah, Arbitrum. So the fact that they were able to claim it on Arbitrum, it qualifies them for other opportunities within the ecosystem. All right. So this is something you have to pay attention to and see what you can make out of it. All right. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and this guide. All right. So if you want more update about this airdrop, make sure that you follow this account on Medium, okay, and join this Telegram community, which is Crypto Niche Hangouts on Telegram. So by joining it, it exposes you to quite a number of opportunities in the crypto space, trade updates, trade signals, and many more opportunities within the ecosystem. So there's a link to join the Telegram channel in the video comment. So it is pinned right there below the video in the comment section. So join the Telegram channel and you are good to go, guys. So if you have any challenge whatsoever, let me know. Feel free to let me know on Telegram especially. And WhatsApp group is closed for now, okay, because we are trying to make some restructuring within the ecosystem. All right. So, but now you can always send me a message on Telegram and let me know if you have any challenge with respect to the drop. So, bye for now and enjoy the rest of your day.